Welcome to this short video on Structure Report. The Structure Report command allows you to export out your pipe network into a spreadsheet. To demonstrate this, I'm going to come up here to the Kobe Toolkit ribbon. I'm going to go to the Pipes panel, and I'm going to select Structure Report. At the command line it says select your objects, so I'm going to select all my objects here, and I'm going to press enter. It's going to ask me where I want to save it, and so I'm going to save it into this Kobe Labs directory called Kobe Toolkit Civil Piping, and it's .xls. So I'm going to go save. It's now creating this report. Now I'm going to go open up this file. So I'm going to go into Explorer here, and there's the file. I'm going to just double click on this, opening up the and now we can actually see here, it shows me all the different structures, the rim elevation, the northing and easting, the diameter or width of it. I can see the invert, the pipe size and the slope, and what it's connecting to. And this goes down to all the different structures that I had selected. I'm going to go ahead and get out of this, come back in, and this now concludes this short video on Structure Report. I hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching.